Today we are making fish stew in coconut milk. You're going to start by cutting or slicing or dicing your onions. Do it in whichever way you prefer. You can just cube them, whatever. And then you're going to cut your coriander or your dhania, which is for garnishing. Don't forget that. And then you are going to go in and pick your garlic cloves. And I choose to grate them, but you can also use the pestle and mortar. But I am a lazy cook, so I'm not doing that. And then you're going to go in with your oil, a little bit of oil, and your garlic and your onions. Remember, the fish was deep fried, so don't use too much oil. Add your tomatoes, your tomato paste, and your Royco cubes, which is what I used, or any other spice that you want to use, and a bit of water. And for this step, I use tomato ragu instead of the tomatoes. You can also blend your tomatoes, it doesn't matter. And then you mix it until everything is well combined, and then you're going to come in with your coconut milk, and for this you're going to put it to taste. So mix it, and then you're going to taste the coconut milk, sorry, the sauce. And then you're going to add, if you feel it needs more salt, more cubes, more, cubes is really salt, but whatever it needs, pick that and use that. So mix, 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 and then you're going to just dunk your fish in there. And because my fish was so big, it couldn't even fit my spoon, it was bent. I was scared if I moved it, it's going to cut or break. So I poured the sauce on top, but there are people who actually like to eat it one side crunchy and one side with sauce. So the side facing down is what they like. I like it. I like mine all coated. Cover it and let it cook, 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 and simmer, 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 and then just move it a bit to make sure it's not um sticking to the sufuria. And there we go. I try to be cute with the rice. And then that is my sauce that is coming on the plate. And that was it. That was my dinner. And I hope if you cook it, you will enjoy it as much as I did.